Hi everyone and welcome back to ms.craftsalots. Lair. I am Barbie. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I am here to do a really quick Q&A with you guys. I kind of feel like I've been neglecting you guys, but I also wanted to, before I get to the Q&A, I wanted to just say thank you to all of my new subscribers and all of my subscribers. A big thing to me anyway happened over the weekend. I got an email from YouTube congratulating me on 100 plus subscribers. Yay! So welcome if you are new to this station, to this channel, and you have yet to subscribe. You can do that now. Subscribe and hit that bell so that way you are getting notifications of whenever I post another Q&A or a card video. Or I have so many different ideas as far as other things paper crafting goes, junk journals and scrapbooks and just regular home decor. I have so many ideas that are up in my head right now that are just waiting to get into finished projects and so that I can share them with you guys. So if you have been a subscriber of mine, welcome back. I am so glad to have you here. Newbies are also welcome. To get to the Q&A, I felt that it was probably in a good sense to do a little bit of a Q&A on how I have my channel name. So real fast, I got the nickname ms.craftsalots. And this is actually before my paper crafting, which is kind of the newer of my many of crafts, but I do a lot of stuff and I'm always seem to be working on something. So ms.craftsalots is fitting because the fact that not only do I spend a lot of time crafting something or working on something or creating something, but I also craft in many different ways. So if you look down through my uploads and such, you'll see some knitting tutorials. I crochet, I sew, you name it, cross stitch. I've dabbled in some wood stuff. The newest addition to everything after my paper crafting was that I got a brother scan and cut, and so I have been playing around with vinyl and making t-shirts and cups and glasses, and yes, so not only do I spend a lot of time crafting, but I do a lot of different crafts. So I've been trying to keep this more of a paper crafting channel, but if you ever want to see anything else, hit me up in the comments and I will be more than happy to share what I know and impart all of my crafting knowledge to you. So once again, thank you so much for all of my subscribers. If you are new to my channel, I will say it again, like, share, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you again soon. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. If you like this project, please like, share, subscribe, and watch more. You can find links to my Stampin' Up! Store, blog, dimensions, and the product list in the description below. Until next time.